likes gossip. She likes gossip. She likes
Boys, parties, style, fame.
she likes
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of The Gist right here on Plug TV Live. The name is Sarah and I bring you all of the wonderful stuff happening in the world of entertainment. So today we'll be starting off with good news because popular on-air personality Dotun of Cool FM has joined the landlord gang in Lagos. Now this is a huge deal because he shared this picture of himself online and it looks super beautiful. I'm in the house of course, and then he captions it with something about hard work pays. Yes guys, hard work actually pays, and we're so happy for Dotun because 35-year-old who started off quite early, in this broadcasting business is doing so well for himself right now. And people think he's actually older, but then he's still a young man and he's doing well for himself, and we're so proud of him. So Dotun, I say I'm tapping into your blessings. A Nigerian has become a winner of the United Nations Global Awards. I'm talking about none other than feminist icon Chimamanda Adichie. As much as she hates that tag feminist icon, but yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, she has become the first Nigerian and the first African woman to win this. She joined others who have won the award, such as Oprah Winfrey, Barack Obama, and a whole lot of others. So you can see the level that Chimamanda is in. She's doing herself proud, she's doing Nigeria proud, she's doing women proud, and we are so proud of her. It's a day of good news because an actor who is popularly known as Zubby Michael has now become the special advisor on media to the governor of Anambra State. Yes, this is a huge deal for Zubby Michael, and we're so proud of him because he just started off as an Hollywood actor, climbing up small, and now he has a government gig. And you know that in Nigeria, if you're an entertainer and you get recognized by the government, that's a lot of money. So yes, congratulations to you, Zubby Michael. It is the season of love, and Nigerian singer or Nigerian/American singer and actor Rotimi has broken a lot of hearts because he has gone all the way to Tanzania to get himself a girlfriend. Now, it's been rumors, happening in Tanzania, obviously, because here in Nigeria, nobody really knows who Rotimi is dating or really cares that much, right? Because they believe he's going to end up with a Nigerian. But yes, it has been confirmed that Rotimi is in a relationship with popular Tanzanian singer Vanessa Mdee. Yes, she posted a picture of the both of them, a selfie of both of them in an elevator, and she captioned it, "Monday nights are date nights." And then Rotimi also captioned this same photo with her. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Rotimi is in a relationship with Vanessa Mdee. And if you like Rotimi as a girl, or if you're a guy and you like Vanessa Mdee, sorry to you because they're both taken. But they both said that they want to keep their relationship private, they just want you to know that they're together, but the relationship is actually private. So yeah, good luck to them. Now it is a good time for Davido, as he just released his album titled A Good Time, and he also welcomed a child with his favorite woman in the world, Chioma. So yes, and we're so happy for him because this album has been receiving a lot of great reviews from everybody around the world. In the first 1 week of its release, it had over 86 million streams. That's a huge deal for Davido, right? But then guys, I have this very interesting gist. So Chioma has actually revealed where the sex that bore her child happened. So she posted this picture to wish her boyfriend, her fiance, a happy birthday, because that Davido just turned 27. And then somebody said, oh, this last slide was definitely where the sex happened. And then she said, no, it's the O2 actually. So remember when Davido made history by becoming one of the artists in the world to sell out the O2 arena? Yes, that was when he decided to, sow his seed into Chioma, and that's what gave them David. I know you don't care about this gist, but then it just makes me so happy because now I know where that child is born. So that child is a miracle baby. That makes any sense. Anyways, I hope that you have enjoyed yourself today right here on The Gist on Plugtv Live. The name is Sarah, and I'll be back with another exciting episode for you right here on the show. Now, do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Do it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back again on the next episode of The Gist. The name is Sarah. Do not forget. Bye-bye, guys.
likes dashing.